Everyone, so today we are going to discuss this important interview question. So here this is the configuration given. We have two current source, I2 and I1. I2 is constant current source, I1 is varying current source, which is going from 0 to high, and we have to find out the I out value. So here we have two current source which are connected like this with this. So whenever there is diode connected source like this, we call it as a current mirror circuit. So how to see such configuration? IREF. So what will happen, this IREF will generate some VGS here, and this VGS will generate this I out current, because our I is related to VGS with this equation, I is equal to GM VGS. So if this is M1 and this is M2, so VGS is 0 here, so VGS is equal to IREF upon GM of 1, and I out is equal to GM of 2 into VGS, because VGS is same, so I out is equal to GM2 upon GM1 into IREF. Now if both MOS has same size, because they have same VGS, they have same size, so GM will be same, so I out will be equal to IREF when both have, if W by L of 1 equal to W by L of 2. Okay, now if W by L of 2 will be different than W by L of 1, then GM will change according to that, and I out will change according to that with respect to IREF. So now here in this circuit, when I1 is 0 at this point, I1 is 0, this is 0, so we can say when I1 is 0, VGS is 0 for this, so this is off. This is off means this node will be at 0 as well. Why? Because there is some current flowing from here, but there is no current from here, no current, so this node cap will discharge to 0 volt, so this will 0. It means that your I out will be 0, I out is 0. Now as I1 is increases, your VG will increase. As I1 will increase, your VG will increase. At some I1 current, this VG will become higher than VTH of this MOS. So at that current, when this current become this, there is some I out current started to flow. So let's see, from here this current will flow now, and this voltage will also try to increase, because there is some current from top. So it means this I out current will follow the I1 current, but with some lower value. So because that lower value, because when in this case, like if it is M1 M2, M3 and M4. The GM of M4 will be different than the GM of M1. How much that is different? That GM4 will be equal to GM upon 1 plus GM into RS, where RS is RO of or resistance of your M2. Here if you will see, this will become a common source configuration with degenerative resistor. While it has GM, it has this resistor as the source as well. So with this GM will be lower. The GM of this MOS will be lower. So the current will be lower than the I1. So the current will be, when this is this one, this is 0. When the I1 is this much, this is slightly lesser. So it will follow like this. Now when your I1 will become higher than I2, so this node will increase. So this is at full VDS. Now when your I1 is higher than I2, then it will try to give I1 current, and this, due to this, it will try to get the I2 current. So this node will increase, and but only I2 current, because that is the lower current now, that will flow through I out. Because when I1 will be higher than this node will increase, okay, and this will go to triode region after some time. So this will simply follow the I2 current only, because this node will go up. So this will reach to triode region, and this VGS is also increasing, but VDS is decreasing for this MOS, because your source is increasing. So VDS will decrease, but VG is also increasing. So this will reach into triode region after some time, and this I out will be equal to I2 only. So the finally at a steady state, this will be behave as resistor, or you can say short circuit, and you know this MOS, the lower MOS will follow this one only, I2. So finally the current, I out current, will be equal to this one. This is your I2, and similarly I out. Hope this will help you. Thank you.